Hey, I'm Shreya and I'm studying mass communication and journalism in Amrita University. I had enlisted my resume on Internshala's website, and among 2,000 people, they picked me out for this internship, which was a one-day internship offer. I got selected at boAt, and I'm pretty excited.
So here in boAt we have a different work culture. We don't work as corporates work. We play here, we chill, we relax, we work. We are work here like we are working for ourselves. I mean, this is our company. We have to grow this company. This program initiated by Internshala, one-day internship program, was really good. Was really helpful, I think, for the interns also and for us also. Like we came to know how it really works. Priya came here for one-day internship. We really like her, the way she was working, the way she was showing her interest in all sort of roles was really good, and really want her to just get a glimpse of every department. So she was happy with this internship. Really, she got to know that how companies are working.
That was my one day with boAt, and it was a really nice experience. Everyone was really friendly. So it was really nice doing an internship, even if it was for one single day only. So yeah, it was a really great experience.
Guys, we just finished the one-day internship at boAt, and I think it was a good experience for us and her. These internship opportunities, I think all companies should do. I hire interns and let them decide what they want to do. And same way, I believe, and I want all companies should do this internship process to help youngsters also to know what they like, to follow their passion, and to build their career on something they like rather than something which they are forced to do.